Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. In this video, I'm just going to show you a quick walkthrough of what comes in the Halloween page kit. This is page kit number 79. There's a link below if you'd like to pick this kit up. It'll take you to my shop. If for any reason it has sold out, please send me a message and I'll let you know when it'll be back in stock. Okay, so here is a quick look at the left page. This title is from Miss Kate Cuttables, so shout out to her. And then on the right page, we have Minnie. She is so adorable here, just resting on this photo mat there. Okay, so you're going to receive full color step-by-step instructions and large photos to help in paper piecing. Small pieces are sorted and separated by character in these small 3x4 baggies. Larger pieces are loose in the kit. I have already cut the photo mats for you, so you don't have to worry about that. But to trim your photos down, just go ahead and measure each photo mat and trim your photos down to 1/4 inch smaller. You have your decorative strips already cut for you. The background papers will need to be trimmed. The measurements are in your instructions. You have 2 solids and then 2 decorative background papers. So that is all for the kit. Thanks so much again for watching. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up below. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button. Hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of the magic here on Katie's World. And follow me on Facebook and Instagram where I post updates of upcoming projects. Thanks so much again and have a great day.